Hey guys, today's video is an interesting one. You see, in this video we won't be exploring an amazing beach or walking through the streets of Bangkok or looking at a floating night market. No. This video is different. You see, today I'll be showing you the 4-star $20 hotel room in the center of Bangkok. And we're in the center of Chinatown. So this hotel room right here normally costs about $200 per night. I managed to get it for $20 US. Yeah, that's right, $20. So you might be thinking, Jack, that's impossible. Well, not exactly. You see, at the moment, with everything going on in the world, you can find really good deals at the moment, right? I got this 4-star room, I'll give you a tour in a second, for only $20 US per night. I'm staying here 2 nights. This whole hotel comes equipped with a fully equipped gym and a pool, and we're in the center of Chinatown, right in the center of Bangkok. If you look on Google Maps, the word Bangkok is over this hotel. We are right in the center. This is why you need to come traveling now. The world is opening up and you can still get awesome deals like this. So, I'm going to give you a bit of a review and tour of this room. And I might jump on my computer as well and show you guys how you can find something like this in 2022. So let's do this. So as you walk in, you've got the massive king size bed. And we've got this little vegetation feature as well, which is a lovely touch. Now let's give this Now let's give this the comfy test. Let's see, you ready? Oh yeah. Not too soft, not too firm, just right, just how I like it. The level of detail in this hotel room is insane, right? So we've got a phone which we can call, but you can turn the master on and off, do not disturb, and make up room. I don't know what those buttons mean. Obviously make up room is for the cleaners to come in and make up your room. But we've also got here a awesome workstation, a massive desk, big TV that you can watch, full length mirror so you can check yourself before you get out, before you go out for dinner. And then in here, this is where it gets really cool, right? So we've got 2 shower heads, soap, standard shower, but this is where it sort of gets cool. So you've got your toilet, but you've got a phone as well. So if you want to, for some reason, call someone while you're on the toilet, you can do that. Also, let's do the bum gun test. Oh yeah, that's really powerful. If you haven't used a bum gun before, I definitely recommend it. It'll change your life. Let's just say that. And we've got over here, we've got a hairdryer, which is a lovely touch. PowerPoints, mirror, big sink, cups, mini fridge as well, which is nice. For some reason, they've included a torch. Well, a torch. We've also got an umbrella and some coat hangers and such. And I'll be putting my clothes on the coat hangers shortly. Oh yeah, and you can plug in your computer to the TV and watch whatever you want hook up Netflix or Stan or whatever you watch. Free bottle of water, kettle, and the rest of that. And they also have room service too, which is really, really nice. So we've got room service here. So if you don't feel like walking down the street, even though we're right in the middle of the Chinatown walking street, you can order room service if you wish as well. So yeah guys, this is $20 US. So what I'm going to do now is I'll jump on my computer, screen record it, and show you how you can pick up deals just like this, and show you some little tips and tricks that I've learnt from traveling the past about month and a half now, of how to get really good hotel rooms for really cheap. And then what we'll do, we'll check out the gym and also the rooftop pool, which is something I'm looking really forward to. Rightio, so let's get into it. So what I want to share with you guys is that to find the best deals, what you need to do is you need to use an incognito window, right? Jack, what is that and how do you do it? Okay. Well, if you have Google Chrome, what you want to do is right click on Google Chrome if you're on a Mac and click incognito window. What this does is it doesn't save any of your browsing history, any of your cookies or data. When you're searching on the web, big companies like Agoda and Booking.com will use your search history to either decrease prices or inflate prices. Most of the time they use it to inflate prices. If they've seen that you've been looking at other more expensive hotels or all different things, it's all in their algorithm to charge you the most amount of money that they think you will pay. However, if you go into incognito window, they don't know anything about you. It doesn't save your data. So what we're going to do is I found the best way is to just go straight into Google Maps. And you might be thinking, well, why would we go into Google Maps for? That's not a booking site. No, it's not. But if you just limit yourself to one booking site, then you're only going to get prices from that booking site. If we use Google Maps, however, it will show us the prices from every single major booking site there is online. So what we do is we zoom into our destination, which for us is Bangkok. We click on hotels and we want to go right in the center. Okay, which is what I'll do is I'll actually just type in Chinatown. Right, here we go. And we'll click hotels. Right, so these are all the hotels around me for this one here. It's for 20 Australian dollars, 58% off. Let's go this one here. Right, so what you can do is you can click on any hotel that interests you, and then what you can do here, like for example, this one is about 45 Australian dollars, right? But you can see here, Agoda is not the cheapest, TripAdvisor is, right? And you can view more options. So see here, Booking.com is costing a fortune. So if you just went to Booking.com and booked this hotel, you'd be paying so much. So what we do, we go into TripAdvisor. And bam, there we go again. The price just went down even further if we book it through the Agoda link. So see guys, this is the best way to do hotels. And that's exactly how I booked my hotel as well, which is this one here. I managed to play around with the settings. I find that if you book it, you know, later in the evening, like 7 or 8 for the next day, they're going to discount rates so people book. So that's my best tip if you aren't a full planner. If you're just traveling and don't really have many plans and you're very flexible, that's the best way to do it. And yeah, so that's my #1 tips for booking hotels and how to get it the cheapest way possible. Wow guys, so this is the rooftop pool. guys, I just realized you can actually see the main river of Bangkok here. Forgive me, I don't know what it's called. I'll pop it up here. But yeah, that's a really cool sight. And I might try and zoom in here. Just here, we have a whole heap of monks walking around the one of the temples here and praying. And it looks like there's some other Buddhist people there too. So that's a really interesting sight. But yeah, I'm just soaking up the last minute sun for today and just enjoying this amazing Bangkok skyline. You can see how it's a bit foggy over there, right? That's not actually fog, it's actually, believe it or not, pollution from all of the cars and buses. And up in Chiang Mai at the moment, further north, they're burning, all the farmers are burning their crops, so it's sort of trickling its way down here. So it's you know, pre-COVID times people actually wore masks. To protect themselves from the smoke. But yeah, so now we got to wear masks for COVID and for the smoke as well. I've got a cocktail coming and I'm just gonna sit and enjoy the sunset. And yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow when we do the gym review. Rightio, good morning guys. So let's check out this gym. So we've got all free weights, weight machines, cross trainer, walker, bike machine, more weight machines, TV, lockers as well. This is like a fully equipped gym. You could do a proper workout in here. I'm checking out today, so I just thought I'd show you guys the gym before I check out. Yeah, so that's pretty much it of the 4-star, $20 US a night, right in the center of Bangkok hotel review. It just goes to show that you can still find really, really good deals at the moment, guys. And even, you know, in 2, 3 months, 4 months time, there's still really good deals to be found, just like in the way I showed you on the computer. So as always, guys, keep it real.